We're inside a tree 15 feet above a lake high in the Rocky Mountains. We're in a nest of wood duck eggs, hatching after a 30-day incubation. And we're here to witness a rite of initiation that is at once daunting and amazing. Even though the mom duck laid her 11 eggs on different days, she didn't start sitting on them till they'd all appeared. That way, they'd all hatch on the same day. The hatchlings get to spend their first night in the nest. One night, that's it. Enjoy yourselves because tomorrow morning comes the big ordeal. Tomorrow morning arrives in a hurry. When the hatchlings first gaze at their mother, she's 15 feet below, calling for them to gulp, jump down to her. Can you imagine how much courage you'd need to take the plunge to Mama? Your first day on the planet, never flown before, now having to leap the human equivalent of 30 feet or more. Wow, made it! None the worse for wear. The truth is, 15 feet isn't that big a deal. Some hatchlings have to leap 60 feet. Why would these hatchlings take such a leap? Well, if they stay in the tree, they starve to death. Yeah, that sounds like motivation to me. Mom and her 11 little hatchlings. After a rite of passage like this one, they're ready for absolutely anything.